Welcome back. Parishioners of Savorde are agreed with the Archbishop of Goa. They have alleged that former parish priest of Guardian Angel Church was forcefully asked to resign from his duties. But Father Loyola has refuted the charges. Father Loyola said Father James had willingly asked the Archbishop to relieve him.
The parishioners of Guardian Angel Church in Savorde marched to the Archbishop's house on Tuesday. They presented a memorandum to the Archbishop asking to reinstate Father James Silva. Parishioners feel Father James was forcefully asked to resign.
बिशपाकडे वॉस हे आमगे एकूच गोरचे प्रॉब्लेम नाही सगळी गोरजान प्रॉब्लेम आहे बिशपान असो पोरशी मेळो लोकां गेले आपणा गेले पोरचे खातीर ताणी विचारपा जाल्ले बाबा जात कितें आपणाचे कितको सॉल्व करूं आतां हे बिशप करना आनी तुमचो आज इतली वता आसतना देखून बिशपान नाल्यार कोणूच तरी धाडटा आसलो कोणाकूच धाडूना इतली ते निग्लेक्ट कोते आमगे पेरिशनरां चोय.
But Father Loyola has refuted any charges of forcefully relieving Father James.
Father James once, even without any appointment, came to meet the Archbishop, told him that he would like to be relieved for personal reasons. Archbishop tried to check what are the personal reasons. Then afterwards, he only went, Father James went on 1st October, 1st August, he submitted a written application to the Bishop saying that he would like to be relieved. There was a request of Father James to go to America. That request was granted by the Bishop on the 27th of June. On the 1st of August, Father James wrote a petition, gave in writing a petition asking to be relieved.
Presently, Father James is in the United States on a visit for medical examination. The parishioners of Savorde have resolved not to allow other parish priests to take charge in place of Father James. Senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
The High Court has rejected the bail petitions filed by 4 accused arrested in LPK club vandalism case at Nerul. Goa police has opposed their plea for bail as about 20 more accused are yet to be arrested.
The High Court has rejected the bail petition filed by 4 accused Umesh Pujari, Rupesh Kadekar, Parimal Gurudas Pandit and the prime accused Dominic Nazareth in the LPK vandalism case. During the hearing, state prosecutor opposed their bail petition saying that investigation is still inconclusive and about more 20 accused are yet to be arrested. Prosecution also said that accused might pressurize other witnesses if they are let out on bail. Accused might also go underground like remaining accused. LPK waterfront discotheque and wedding venue at Nerul was vandalized by about 25 mass attackers on 22nd of August. Porvorim police had arrested 5 accused in the case on 26th August. Our reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The new Bandodkar football stadium is now most likely to come up at the Campal parade ground. The huge area of the parade ground with its little use in the present times makes the Campal venue an attractive proposition for football stadium. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is expected to take a call on the concept design for the stadium sooner rather than later. Director of Municipal Administration and GFA Vice President Elvis Combs is looking for a speedy outcome to the long-pending issue.
The long-pending issue of construction of the Campal football ground is under consideration of the government. Recently, the Chief Minister had a meeting on this subject and has instructed me in particular to explore the possibility of constructing it either at the same place where it was or on the present Campal parade ground. Prima facie, it appears that constructing it at the parade ground is more feasible because the size of the area is almost 10 acres.
At the parade ground?
Yes.
And the original spot?
Original spot is just one football field, which also is slightly less as compared to the normal football field required. Now the issue is at what capacity ground it should be. Initially it has been agreed in principle that the ground should hold a capacity of about 2,000 spectators and should also be illuminated with floodlights.
So at least Pro League matches can be held at such stadium. Is that a possibility?
Yes, because the proposed sitting arrangement is modular in nature, which can be assembled, and based on the requirement, it can be scaled up even to 6,000 to 8,000.
There is a hospital on the opposite side, so do you think that such feasibility will have to be taken into account?
I don't think that should cause any disturbance to the hospital as such.
Panjekars have missed out on high quality football after the old Bandodkar football stadium was demolished a few years ago. The wait has been going on for the reconstruction of the new football stadium, which could bring top quality football back to the capital city. While the old Bandodkar football stadium venue was considered for rebuilding for a few years now and plans were already made, it has emerged now that this parade ground looks like the likely candidate for the construction of the new Bandodkar football stadium. This news could be very welcome news for the Panjekars, as they have desperately missed the top quality football action in the heart of the city. With video journalist Sushant Par, this is Neeraj Prabhu for Prudent from Campal Parade Ground.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.